Hi, I'm Carrie Fetters with IPsmarx Technology US. Our award-winning Class 5 Softswitch will enable entrepreneurs just like you to start your own voice-over IP business. This solution will enable you to provide full-featured residential calling service to your customers. Here's how it works. You'll first need the IPsmarx Class 5 Softswitch, which will be installed on a server. This is actually the only piece of hardware you'll need to manage your business. Your end users will be able to sign up for your service either in person or through your website, which we call our e-store. The e-store is actually a website that's fully integrated with the back end of the IPsmarx Class 5 Softswitch. So anytime your customers go to your website to sign up for an account, the information is automatically stored in your database, and as soon as they make their payment and the payment is authorized, they'll be able to start using their account right away. What your customer will need is either an IP phone or an adapter. An IP phone looks just like a regular phone, but it's actually connected to the internet instead of a physical landline. An adapter is a small box that can connect to their existing landline phone to route calls out over the internet. Once they have these phones, they can also use your website in order to select a phone number so they can receive calls as well on their IP phone or adapter. These phone numbers are called DIDs. Our solution is actually compatible and integrated with a number of SIP-based DID providers, so you don't have to purchase all of the area codes in the US in order to offer service nationwide. Instead, your customers can go to your website and select the area code they would like, and then the system will automatically place the order through your DID provider. Once the DID has been ordered, you can use IPsmarx auto provisioning tool. This tool will actually automatically configure these devices so that they can make and receive calls through your Class 5 Softswitch. Now your customer has their phone and their SIP-based DID, so they're ready to make and receive calls. It'll work just like using a regular phone. The customer picks up the handset, they dial the number that they'd like to reach, and the call is routed over the internet to the IPsmarx Softswitch. From here, the Softswitch is going to keep track of how many minutes your customer is using so you can bill them appropriately, and also route the calls through the carrier of your choice to the destination, which of course could be anywhere in the world. As I'm sure you know, voice over IP is about 60% cheaper than making international calls using a cell phone or a landline. With our billing solution, we also have something called package billing. This will enable you to set up a package like $19.99 per month for unlimited calling within the US and Canada, or something along those lines. So you have the option to either bill your customer per minute or with a package deal on a monthly rate. Using our system, you can either automatically deduct funds from a pre-authorized credit card that your customer has input on your website, or you can use our invoicing tool to send a bill at the end of every billing period, which you can define yourself as well. These are ways to help you increase your customer retention and to earn more business. On top of these features, you can also add a ticketing system. This is a great way to help you manage customer service. Your customers can log in through your website and file a complaint or submit an issue, and a ticket will automatically be opened for your technical support team so they can assist the client. These are additional things that you can add to the Class 5 package. Of course, with the Class 5 Softswitch, it will automatically come with all of the advanced features that you would normally have in a residential service, like voicemail, call forwarding, call waiting, and so on. This is an all-in-one solution to help you provide a full-featured residential voice-over IP service to your customers. Besides just having calls routed through a carrier to connect to a landline or a cell phone that your customer might want to call, They can also talk within your network for free. So let's say, for example, customer A and customer B are in different countries. Let's say customer A is in the US and customer B is in France, for example. They each have an IP phone configured with your system and they've signed up as one of your customers. They can now talk to each other from IP phone to IP phone over the internet for free. That's called IP to IP. At IPsmarx, we go to great lengths to ensure that our products are stable and well tested. We understand that stability and reliability are paramount to our clients' success, which is why we've invested in the top stress, billing, and load testing to ensure that our clients have a stable and reliable system that they can grow with. For more information, contact us.